Frequency f of a simple pendulum depends on its length L and acceleration g due to gravity according to the following equation. F equal to 1 by 2 pi root of g by L. The graph between which of the following quantities is a straight line? So in this question we have to find the relation between two quantities for which it is coming out to be a straight line. So according to our options we have to see one by one in which of the following quantities the relation will be a straight line. So first we write the relation which is given as f equal to 1 by 2 pi root of g over L. Here we can see 1 upon 2 pi, that is constant, g that is acceleration due to gravity, that is again constant. So we can simply rewrite f is inversely proportional to root of L. Remaining quantities are constant. Now we have to see options one by one where the relation is coming out to be a straight line. So in option 1, that is f on the ordinate and L on the abscissa. F that is on the ordinate means it will representing on y axis, and L on the abscissa. Abscissa means x axis. So with the help of the given relation we can replace f with help of y and L with help of x. So relation will be y inversely proportional to root x, or it can also written as y square is inversely proportional to x. Here we can see it is not an equation of straight line. So this will be a false answer. Now we are going to second option, that is f on the ordinate and root L on the abscissa. F that is on the ordinate and root L on abscissa, that is x. Again we will replace f in our relation with y and root L with x. So here we will get y is inversely proportional to root L means x. So here the relation is coming out to be y inversely proportional to x, which is a relation of rectangular hyperbola, not a straight line. So again this will be a false answer. We will go to third option, that is f square on ordinate and L on the abscissa, means f square on y axis and L on x axis. F square on y axis we can also write as f can be written as root y. So in our relation which is f inversely proportional to root L, f can be replaced with the help of root y, and root L where L can be represented with the help of x. So relation is coming out to be root y inversely proportional to root x, or it can be written as y inversely proportional to x. Again it is an equation of rectangular hyperbola. In fourth option we have given f square on the ordinate. F square on the ordinates means f square can be replaced with the help of y, or we can say f can be replaced with the help of root y, and 1 by L on abscissa means 1 by L can be replaced with the help of x. So according to our relation, that is f inversely proportional to, that is f inversely proportional to root L, we will replace with y or x. Here f can be replaced as root y and 1 by root L. So here we have given 1 by L as x, so 1 by root L can be written as root x. So here we will replace 1 by root L with root x. So we will get root y is directly proportional to root x, or it can be written as y is directly proportional to x, which is an equation of straight line. So the answer of this question will be fourth one, in which it is written, that is f square on ordinate and 1 by L on abscissa. Thank you.